Here's how to download songs from Spotify. So first of all, open up Spotify app, and then, for example, we just add some songs to our playlist, because from your personal playlist, you can download any of song. For example, rap good, and add some song. All right. You just tap on this green icon over here next to any of song. You can see tap on plus and tap on again to this icon and create a new playlist. For example, download. And then create a new playlist. All right. We created new playlist. We add some song to this specific playlist. Downloads. Tap on done. Add some another songs to downloads. So one by one, you add a new songs that you want to download to your playlist. One by one, add a new playlist to your device, and of course add songs to this specific playlist that you want to download. Then tap on your library, select this specific playlist, for example, download in my specific order, and you will see a list of these songs. To download them, you will see here is a little arrow. So basically this is how you can download songs from Spotify. You just tap on this and what you can see here, it says want to download music to listen without Wi-Fi and save your mobile data with premium. Explore premium. This means, as you notice, only account with premium can download songs from Spotify, and it's true. So basically, to download songs from Spotify, you should have a premium, and then when you open any of song, tap on three dots and download one by one, or you can go on playlist and tap on this little arrow to download all your playlist with songs.